another video on our YouTube channel. Today we're making fish egg fries. So we chose the eggs from a codfish, and we think the best eggs are from the codfish, but you actually can choose whatever fish you want to, but we chose codfish. So what you will want to do is you add the codfish into a pan where you cook it with water in for like 10 to 20 minutes, and when it's cooking, add some salt. After you cook it well, cut it into thin slices and add corn flour and ground flour, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. If you want to, you can add a little bit more, but it will get more spicier. 2 teaspoons salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Then mix it well without crushing the eggs and put it aside. After 5 to 10 minutes, boil oil in a pan and let the egg slices fry until it's golden brown. This is optional, but you can add coriander leaves, green and red paprika, onions, and tomatoes. You can add whatever you want. But when the fish eggs are golden brown, you put it in a bowl. Then you cut the coriander leaves, green or red capsicums, and onions or tomatoes. And you fry them. Ingredients you choose, and put some chili powder if you want to have it spicy, and fry it. And when it get goldish brownish, you cut the egg fries into cubes and add them into the vegetables. Mix it well, and when it's not gold exactly, but brownish, you can take them out and your egg fry is ready. And this is not a traditional food, I don't think so, in any land, but we eat it personally a lot in our house. But and a lot of people that comes to visit us also enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.